So see all the gunk down there? You'll be surprised how much it cleans off. Guys, you get a bit of fuel, any type of fuel really, even diesel. You just grab some spare oil you got in the shed, you put a little bit of that in there, a little bit of WD-40 in there, and what happens is the oil dilutes within the fuel. You give it a stir. Sorry about all the gunk that's already come off it, it's settled down the bottom. And that's just all you do. And you keep them in there. And you just give them, give it a few days. And each day you just do a little turn at a time. And it'll just free itself up. And, and you can get, seized throttle bodies or carbies. And you can get them unstuck in this way. It's worked for me always. Yeah, so this was a Holly 2-barrel that was stuck and seized up, and in that same manner, that's how I freed this baby up as well. So after a couple of days, I just did, slight turns until I just freed it up, and now it's salvageable. And I scored this stuck for 20 bucks, and now it's good to go to be sent out to be fully refurbished and reconditioned.